How to trademark your brand. Course Overview. This course provides an in-depth look into the process of trademarking your music or brand to protect your intellectual property and secure your unique identity in the marketplace. By the end of this course, you will understand how trademarks differ from other forms of intellectual property, the benefits of registering a trademark, and the steps needed to successfully trademark your music, logo, or artist name. Additionally, the course covers how to enforce your trademark rights to prevent unauthorized use and protect your brand. How to trademark your brand. Table of Contents. Introduction to Trademarks. What is a trademark? How trademarks differ from copyrights. Why trademarking is important for artists and brands. Types of trademarks for music and brands. Word marks, names and slogans. Design marks, logos and symbols. Sound marks. How to trademark your music or brand. Choosing what to trademark, name, logo, or both. Step-by-step guide to registering a trademark. Benefits of registering a trademark. Protecting your brand identity. Monetizing your trademark. Preventing brand confusion. Enforcing your trademark. How to monitor and protect your trademark. Filing a trademark infringement lawsuit. Responding to trademark violations. Frequently asked questions, FAQ. Common myths about trademarks, international trademark protection, costs and timelines for trademark registration. Course conclusion and next steps. Recap of key points. Actions to take after registering your trademark. How to trademark your brand. Chapter 1, Introduction to Trademarks. Module 1.1, What is a trademark? A trademark is a word, phrase, symbol, or design that identifies and distinguishes the source of goods or services. In the context of the music industry, a trademark could be your artist name, logo, or even a unique sound that is associated with your brand. Key points: trademarks protect brand identifiers. They ensure that others cannot use your name, logo, or branding elements in a way that confuses consumers. Legal protection. Registering a trademark gives you the exclusive right to use your brand in commerce and prevent others from copying it. Types of trademarks. Artists can trademark their name, logo, or even a sound that is uniquely associated with their music or brand. Trademarks are crucial in the music industry because they ensure that your identity, whether it's your stage name, band name, or logo, is protected, preventing others from benefiting from your brand recognition. Module 1.2, How trademarks differ from copyrights. Trademarks and copyrights are two distinct types of intellectual property protections, each with its own purpose. Copyrights protect creative works, such as songs, albums, or artworks, while trademarks protect brand identifiers, such as names, logos, and slogans. A copyright protects the content of your creative work, whereas a trademark protects the identity or brand associated with your music or business. Example: copyright protects the song you write and record. Trademark protects your artist name, logo, or band name that is used to promote that music. Module 1.3, Why trademarking is important for artists and brands. For artists and creators, trademarking offers several key benefits. Brand protection. A registered trademark ensures that no one else can legally use your name, logo, or slogan in a way that might confuse consumers. Monetization. Your trademark can become a valuable asset that can be licensed for use in merchandise, collaborations, and partnerships. Preventing brand dilution. If others use a similar name or logo, it can weaken your brand's identity in the marketplace. trademarking prevents this and strengthens your brand's uniqueness. How to trademark your brand. Chapter 2. Types of trademarks for music and brands. Module 2.1. Word marks, names, and slogans. A word mark is a trademark that protects the actual words used in a name or slogan. This is one of the most common forms of trademarks for artists and businesses in the music industry. Key points: artist names. Registering your stage name or band name ensures that no one else can use it in the music or entertainment industry. Slogans. If your brand has a recognizable slogan, you can protect it through a trademark. Eligibility. To qualify for a word mark, the name or slogan must be distinctive and not just descriptive of the goods or services you provide. Module 2.2. Design marks, logos, and symbols. A design mark protects logos, symbols, or unique visual elements associated with your brand. This is particularly important for artists who use specific artwork or logos to promote their music. Key points: logo protection. A design mark ensures that no one else can use a logo similar to yours that might confuse your audience. Visual brand identity. Your logo is often one of the most recognizable aspects of your brand, and protecting it prevents misuse by others. Module 2.3. Sound marks. A sound mark protects unique sounds that are specifically associated with a brand. For musicians, this could include a unique audio logo or sound that listeners immediately associate with your brand. Key points: audio branding. Some brands use short musical phrases or jingles that become iconic. These sounds can be trademarked as sound marks. Eligibility. The sound must be distinctive and closely associated with your brand for it to qualify for trademark protection. How to trademark your brand. Chapter 3. How to trademark your music or brand. Module 3.1. Choosing what to trademark, name, logo, or both. Before registering your trademark, it's important to decide what elements of your brand you want to protect. These could include your name. Trademarking your artist name or band name is crucial to securing your identity. Logo. If you use a logo to promote your music or merchandise, it's essential to trademark it to prevent others from using it. Sound. If your music or brand has a unique sound associated with it, e.g., a jingle or audio logo, you may want to trademark that as well. Considerations. Distinctiveness. Trademarks must be unique and not overly descriptive of the goods or services offered. Choose a name or logo that sets your brand apart. International versus domestic. Consider whether you need protection only in your home country or internationally if your brand has a global reach. Module 3.2. Step-by-Step Guide to Registering a Trademark. Trademark registration can be done through the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office (USPTO). Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Conduct a trademark search. Before registering, you must ensure that no one else has already trademarked a similar name or logo. You can perform a trademark search using the USPTO's TESS, Trademark Electronic Search System tool. Step 2. File your trademark application. Visit the USPTO website and choose the correct form for your trademark application. You'll need to provide information about the name, logo, or sound you are trademarking, as well as details about how you intend to use it in commerce. Step 3. Pay the filing fee. The cost to file a trademark application typically ranges from $225 to $400 per class of goods or services, depending on the specifics of the registration. Step 4. Submit evidence of use. For a trademark to be registered, you must demonstrate that it is already being used in commerce. This could include images of your logo on merchandise, screenshots of your website, or evidence of your name being used for live performances. Step 5. Wait for approval. The trademark registration process can take several months. During this time, your application will be reviewed and any potential conflicts will be identified. If no issues arise, your trademark will be approved and you'll receive a registration certificate. How to trademark your brand. Chapter 4. Benefits of registering a trademark. Module 4.1. Protecting your brand identity. Once registered, a trademark gives you exclusive rights to your brand. This means no one else can use it. You have the legal right to stop others from using your name, logo, or slogan in a way that could confuse consumers. Strong brand recognition. A trademark helps establish a strong, recognizable brand that stands out in the marketplace. Legal defense. If someone tries to infringe on your trademark, you can take legal action to protect your brand. Module 4.2. Monetizing your trademark. Trademarks can be monetized in several ways. Licensing. You can license your trademark to other businesses or individuals for a fee. For example, an artist might license their logo for use on merchandise or in advertising campaigns. Partnerships. A strong trademark can open the door to brand partnerships, collaborations, and sponsorships, providing additional revenue streams. Merchandising. Trademarking your name or logo allows you to sell branded merchandise, such as t-shirts, posters, and other items without the risk of infringement. Module 4.3. Preventing brand confusion. A registered trademark helps prevent brand confusion, where consumers might mistake another product or service for yours. This is especially important in the music industry, where several artists may have similar names or logos. By trademarking your brand, you can ensure that your identity remains distinct and protected. How to trademark your brand. Chapter 5. Enforcing your trademark. Module 5.1. How to monitor and protect your trademark. Once your trademark is registered, it's important to monitor the marketplace to ensure that no one is infringing on your rights. This can be done by setting up alerts. Use online tools to receive notifications if someone is using your name, logo, or brand elements. Hiring a trademark monitoring service. These services regularly scan for potential trademark infringements and notify you if they find anything suspicious. Module 5.2. Filing a trademark infringement lawsuit. If someone uses your trademark without permission, you have the right to file a lawsuit for infringement. This process involves sending a cease and desist letter. Before filing a lawsuit, you can send a cease and desist letter demanding that the infringer stop using your trademark. Filing a lawsuit. If the infringer refuses to comply, you can file a lawsuit in federal court to stop them and seek damages. Remedies. Remedies for trademark infringement may include monetary compensation, legal fees, and an injunction to prevent further use of your trademark. Module 5.3. Responding to trademark violations. In the case of a trademark violation, take swift action. The quicker you address the issue, the better chance you have of protecting your trademark. Legal recourse. Depending on the severity of the infringement, you can seek damages, force the infringer to cease using your mark, and potentially win legal costs. How to trademark your brand. Chapter 6. Frequently Asked Questions, FAQ. Module 6.1. Common Myths about Trademarks. Myth 1. You don't need to register a trademark if you're using it. While you do gain some common law rights by using a mark in commerce, formal registration provides stronger legal protections and makes it easier to enforce your rights. Myth 2. Trademarks are only for large businesses. Even small businesses and individual artists can benefit from trademark protection. It's a key step in securing your identity and brand. Module 6.2 International Trademark Protection. If your brand has global reach, you should consider international trademark registration. The Madrid Protocol allows you to register your trademark in multiple countries with a single application. This ensures that your brand is protected beyond the borders of your home country. Module 6.3 Costs and Timelines for Trademark Registration. Costs. The cost of registering a trademark varies, but the typical filing fee ranges from $225 to $400 per class of goods or services. Timelines. The trademark registration process can take anywhere from 6 to 12 months, depending on the complexity of the application and whether any conflicts arise during the review process. How to trademark your brand. Chapter 7 Course Conclusion and Next Steps. Module 7.1 Recap of Key Points. Why trademarking is essential. Trademarking protects your brand identity and ensures that no one else can use your name, logo, or sound in a way that confuses consumers. It gives you exclusive rights and helps build a strong, recognizable brand. Overview of the registration process. Trademarking your brand involves selecting what to protect: name, logo, sound, filing with the USPTO, and waiting for approval. Once registered, you gain valuable legal rights that protect your identity. Module 7.2 Actions to take after registering your trademark. Monitor your brand. Once your trademark is registered, actively monitor its use to prevent infringement. Set up alerts and consider using trademark monitoring services. Explore licensing opportunities. With your brand protected, you can explore licensing deals, collaborations, and merchandise opportunities to monetize your trademark. This comprehensive course will empower you to secure your brand and music identity through trademark registration, ensuring that your unique brand elements are protected from misuse and can be monetized effectively.